Hey, sweetie. We live, baby. Good morning, my sweeties, my angels, my dolls, my cupcakes, my sugar pies. Welcome back to another weekly vlog. I'm sorry about the noise. If you're new here, hey girl, hey boy, hey. If you're not, thank you both so much for coming back. If you're not subscribed already, girl, I don't know what you're waiting for. But come on, get subscribed right now. It's a little red button down below, and let's be sweeties all together, be part of the sweetie gang, okay? Shout out to all my new sweeties who've been joining. I be see y'all. Love you. But yeah, I'm so pumped this morning. It's the afternoon right now. I had to do a little bit of work because I'm like, it's a Saturday. Do you know what I would like to do on a Saturday? Absolutely nothing. So please. But yeah, I had to do a little bit of work. But that's also to, you know, climb some share. I wanted to show you guys something. So I posted this on my Instagram. I got gifted some products by Nigerian. I got gifted the lotion, as you can see, the bar soap, this one, and I got gifted a relaxer as well. These are, but I'm not gonna be bleaching my body because hello, do you know what it takes to be a beautiful black girl? No you don't. Obviously I'm kidding. Am I though? Anyways, I'm using this product to lighten my underarms because I don't know why I'm showing you guys my chest, but I've already started. I started on the first day of the month. Today's like the 9th. I think I missed like 2 days out of it. So what I do is that I go in with the soap first, and then when I'm done, I use the lotion and I just put it on there. So I use the lotion and the soap at night. Influencers, content creators, or whatever. I had the whole itinerary planned for my day, but as is, I gotta go. Like, share, subscribe. Love you. Okay, bye. Hey guys, good afternoon. Anyways, how are you guys doing? Happy Sunday. You guys last saw me yesterday after I took. You guys last saw me yesterday. I don't know when. I think it was just before they took it. Yeah. So I wanted to film yesterday, ended up not filming because there was no lights. So they brought lights today and I've been piecing them and there has been lights. So I just started filming. I just finished filming for Instagram, skincare reel. Okay. So before content, I finished this series. I've been watching Altered. I don't know why I keep saying alternate albums. Altered Carbon. It's a series on Netflix. On series. It's a series on Netflix, and bruh, I finished season 2. This today. I finished season 2 today, and it's actually a very good watch. I would 100% recommend it. Before that, I watched Judy and Georgia. You guys on the vlog. But 100% I would highly recommend it. You guys should. But yeah, so that was what I was watching. Right now I'm watching Jasmine Destine on YouTube. She's cute. And I'm just looking at my pretty face. Be pretty, and hope you subscribe, sweetie. If you're not subscribed already, leave a comment, baby. Cause I love when you guys leave comments because we get to talk. Like, it's almost like we're in a group chat. Love that. So please leave comments, subscribe, follow me on Instagram if you're not following me there, follow me on TikTok as well if you're not following me there, and let's go create content with the platforms on which you will follow me. Love you. Okay, bye.
Alex Epps. Take a look inside your heart. Is there any room for me? I won't have to hold my breath. Take it down.
So it's like a lot later now, and I finished filming like 2 hours ago, and took out my makeup obviously. So now I'm watching this thing on Moses LDN channel. So it's Shanks 20 women versus one comedian. So that's just what I'm watching now. I was on a call with my friend before that though.
Hi, Shan.
Hi,
How are you?
I'm fine.
I'm Tiana Wedding.
Good for you. I'm sure. Why you feeling that? Carry go. You have to be in mind in this relationship. If you look to drag,
No,
we married.
I don't.
You don't know your Gido?
No.
I've seen yes already. Fuck. You don't know your Gido? Somebody's name is what does that mean? You can't say somebody's name. Your Gido, I'm sorry. Can you try not to look down? Who is my self-esteem?
I'm Victoria.
I'm Shank. Where are you coming from?
Where am I coming from?
Yes. Like, where do you come from?
Like my state.
Yes.
I'm from Imo State.
Imo State. What did you? Are you? No.
You guys, Shanks is very funny.
Isoko?
Yeah.
You know Isoko boy? Speak Isoko language.
Okay, nice.
No. You're not connected to the roots.
I don't understand. Like, it's not my fault.
I said no.
Okay.
Speak Isoko.
Deal.
What do you know, do?
Recently.
Say something sexual. Something cute or sexual to me, Isoko.
Jesus. The only thing I do.
Jesus is not.
I never heard to say that. Jesus.
Is it trust Isoko? Is it Isoko? Damage you for Isoko. No.
Think about shit that I should've known. So I tell him it's one of me. He making fun of me. His girl is a bum to me. Like that boy is a cap. Saying he home, but I know where he at. Like,
Testing 1 2 3. This is for the vlog. Testing 1 2 3. It's for the vlog.
what I'm on. But when he hit me, I'm not gonna respond. But I don't sleep enough without you. And I can't eat enough without you. If you don't speak, does that mean we're through? Don't like sneaky shit that you do.
Hey guys, good. Oh, good. Hey guys, good morning. Happy Friday. Today I'm working from home. Honestly, I did so much work. I did so much work yesterday. Like, I worked myself to the bone. So today I'm going to like taking it a bit easy. Yeah, so I'm working from home today. I have to take out my cornrows. Mind your business, okay? Mind your business. But yeah, so you guys, my sister called me this morning, and basically she's done her school and everything, and she's going to serve, right? And she was telling me how she wants to go to Enugu, right? Because she's starting a business and all of that. And you guys, I'm so proud of her. Like, I guess it just hit me that we're all leaving home, and I'm going to cry again. Oh my god. It just hit me that we're all leaving home, and you know, we're no longer like in my room and watching YouTube talking about literally anything and everything. And I'm so proud of her. I said I was not going to cry again. I'm so incredibly proud of her. Because you guys, she's one of the most strongest people I know. And you know, like when I left home to come to Lagos, I didn't know how much it would impact them. But I guess that gives them courage to leave home too. Cause she's like, oh, I'm going to go to go to Ebony. I'm like, dude, I'm so fucking proud of you. I promise you, these are happy tears. She's not my little girl anymore. I'm so proud of her. And like, I know that whatever she does, she's going to prosper so much in it. Because yo, that girl is stubborn as hell. And she does not take no for an answer. And by God's grace, I'm going to support her in every possible way that I can. One of the gifts God gave me growing up with my siblings. Yo, I don't know what I'd do in life if it was not for them. And it's like we're no longer kids anymore, and now we have to like form adult relationships because we got shit going on now, right? But bro, my little girls are not little anymore. I need a minute, just 1 minute. Okay, so we're back, and you guys, I saw this bruise. I don't know if you guys can see it on my face, like here. I don't know what I did to my face. Yeah, but I'm so proud of her, and here's to many more good news. Okay, because like but I need to take out my hair because I'm getting my hair done tomorrow. My friend invited me to this thing on Sunday, which honestly I don't know if I'm going to go because I'm still not sure of it, but if I go I will vlog. And I don't want to say the thing yet because like I'm still not sure. But I don't know, man. We'll see how Sunday goes, but I want to get my hair done tomorrow. I'm doing it myself. You guys know, have I think like you guys know I do my hair myself on this channel, right? For the most part. So I need to get my hair washed. Also, I'm washing my hair today. I showed you guys this shampoo in last vlog or the one before that. I can't remember. But I showed you guys this shampoo, and one of you sweeties told me that, you know, like it's good and that's what you're using. I said, thank God, because child, I'm really heavy on recommendations because yeah, and plus I already got a child, so I just hope it's good. I'll let you guys know what I get up to today. Welcome to Friday. So, let me move this thing up a bit. You guys, I can explain. I can explain. Can you even see my hair? Yo, it's been a very interesting 24 hours, nah. So I know I told you guys, I was gonna do what, such and such and such. There was no light throughout Friday. They took the light like around 12. Maybe they didn't bring it back till like 9 Saturday. Why? I don't work on them, but I don't know. So don't shoot. Okay? So my friend came over. We washed my hair. I got my hair done. I'm so ready to show you. I mean, but this is what it is. Let me take it out of the little one thing I got it in. Whoa, 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 whoa. So this is what the hair is looking like. So if you watch my maintenance vlog type thing I did a few vlogs down, I used the hair from Lush hair for a ponytail. So it was the crochets that I just used. And now, yo, I'm so tired. So as much as I would like to potato chill, I cannot. How do we like the hair? Right? I know. It's so cute and it's not heavy at all, and it's also not a lot. Cha! This is the hair. Cha, I need to get the thing back up. ASAP. Oh, here's my apartment. Is a mess. Between the hair things that like are on the floor, and like I just need to change my sheets, sweep, mop, and the time. Oh my god, the time is 4:44. Why did I want to say 444? The time is 4:44 right now. So, and I want to be done filming by 9 so that I can go to bed at the decent hour. Why? Because we have work tomorrow. That's why. So, I just wanted to check in because I promise you I wanted to vlog yesterday. I was even telling my friend when we were taking on my hair, like, I'm supposed to be vlogging, but there's no light. There's no light. So, I'm sorry about that. Guys, so sorry, I'm not turning on my light now because I cannot be bothered, but I just want to show you guys something. So I don't even understand, but I don't know if it's, yeah, that's it. You guys, I don't know what beats me. Like at first, yeah, you see that part that's swollen, like the first part that has like oil in it and stuff. That's where it started. And then I put coconut oil on it and the next one came up. I don't even understand. It's very uncomfortable. And I wouldn't say my hand is feeling numb, but I can definitely feel the discomfort. Anyways, I decided not to film anymore because I don't know, man. I do have just a bit of content to go up, but I just did my nails. I've edited like 4 videos now, and I'm just watching YouTube. And honestly, I'm just gonna close out the night. I'll let you guys know what the update on this thing is, Lord. Like, I mean, usually I would not be worried, but I don't know if it's swelling or if it's just me. Anyways, good night, guys.